Good morning, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. And while you're clicking buttons, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It's like gold, you guys. I really appreciate it. It helps with the video being found and other people seeing it and all that good stuff. So today's project is kind of a doom pile project, and still it's a fun project. I've had these terracotta pots in my doom pile for quite a while. You can see it's maybe more like 2 years. It's not going to be like, it's been here for 20 years. It's more like 2. It got away from me last spring. I don't remember why, but we're going to paint these and add a decal to them this year. So I have a bunch of different transfers. I've got French ones that has say fleur on them. I've got little bird ones. You've seen them all. So we're going to give this a coat of white paint because the skin looks so cute. And actually, where is that sample? You remember the ones I used on my birds that I was doing? If not, go back and watch the bird video because they're so freaking cute. Like, they're so cute. I'm going to use this sample. It's not quite a white. It's kind of like a stone white. It's like more of a concrete color, but I don't want it to be like this white, the bright white. I want it to be more of an off-white to give it more of a aged feel. But every year, like it's spring, people buy flower pots like crazy. It's just nice to give them an alternative to just a pot. So we're going to find some fun decals to put on these. Maybe a flower, maybe an egg. I don't know. We'll find something to put on them. But clay pots are nice, but they're not very cute. So let me get you guys switched around, and we are going to base coat these. I only have 2. Right? Nowhere else in the doom piles do I have more than that. And they're just cute little terracotta pots. So we're going to do 2 cute little terracotta pots. I feel like this is a better camera angle than the above camera angle because I'm going to be holding these like this and you can actually see what I'm working on this way. But see, this is like a off-white. It's not a true white. And I feel like that's just going to be better for our terracotta. I feel like a lot of vintage sellers do this. Comment below if you are one of them. You're like, yep, every year we got to do some terracotta pots. And last year I didn't get to these. And they've been just sitting there haunting me. So that's why I say this is year 2, but it's not a full 2 years since these have been done. And I am actually not like fully coating these. I want them to look like they've been sitting outside, that they've been aging, and that they've been, you know, a little rough. Let's get the lip of that. I feel like this angle will be better for you guys to see what I'm doing because we're going to have to flip these to the side. Now, I found in my French ones, this bees and queens. I love bees. I don't care if it's a trend that's past. I literally don't care. I love them. So we're going to use this bees and queens. And actually, I think I'm going to move bees and queens to the top. You do not have to use decals the way they are on the page. So we can cut these apart, and that's what I'm going to do here. Because I feel like that needs to be up here. I like that this has a solid white up here. Crooked. Crooked. I'm going to do my best to make it straight, but I'm not good at straight lines, so it's gonna be like that. And then you just take an edge. This would be a really great project for those temporary tattoos if you haven't watched that video yet. And click over and see what we did with the temporary tattoos. But these would be perfect for smaller temporary tattoos. And they have some cute ones. They have some floral ones, and it's just a water slide decal at that point. You can make water slide decals if you have a really good printer too. I'm just saying. S did not want to stay down very well, so we're going to try that again. E. So we've got our B's and Queens. Let's get our B on here. And I'm going to trim up around it just so it's easier to manage when I put it on there. We'll have all this excess plastic creating pockets and bubbles. It's going to be a tough one because it's going to go up on the edge there. It's okay. We got it. We can do this. Did I center it? No. Oh my gosh, no. Will this make some people twitchy? Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Cool. Let's stay it on. Get this side on. Now, this is bubbled up right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I take the back of this then and I just smooth it down. I think I saw that somewhere once before. I don't remember where I learned all this stuff, but using the back of this to smooth things down is the way to go. Oh, I love it. I don't want to sell it. Oh, that looks amazing. I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy with that. Okay. Let's do a color one now. This is going to be a tough one. Ha! I cut a little slit there to make this lay down nicer. And This one is not coming off the way the other one did. It's a different brand of transfer. It's not releasing like it should. Okay, well, we lost some. That's fine. All right. There they are, and I definitely think we're going to glaze these because I got super excited when I thought about that. The glaze is going to darken that terracotta if I don't clear coat this. So we're going to have to do a quick clear coat on it. And I think what I'm going to do is take these outside and spray them clear. It is warming up here. So I'm going to put them in a box and just do a quick spray clear on them. And then let them dry. Okay, so these have both been clear coated with matte clear. I went out and sprayed them. I think these always look better in matte because you're not expecting terracotta to be glossy. So it's got a slight sheen to it, but that's just showing you that it's covered. So we're going to do glaze over the top. I think that will be cute. Make them look dirty and crusty like they've been planted in. Yeah, I don't want to sell the B one. I really like the B one. Don't worry, it'll get sold. I'm not going to keep it. Very cute. I like that one a lot. I guess you have to sell it. You don't have any plants. You don't know how to grow things. Stop it. Stop it. I'm having a love affair. Sometimes I look back at the pieces that I've created. I'll look back on my Instagram or on my blog and I go, I love that. I still love that so much. And sometimes it hurts. I'm not gonna lie. Like you're like, oh, I wish I'd kept that. That's such a cute piece. But I had no place for it and just needed to get done and out the door. But some of them I look back on and I'm quite proud of them. I still love them to this day. And if that's the case where I'm not picking it apart and going, that could have been better, then I know I did a good job on it. But I'm even surprised at some of the stuff I've done. Oh, shocking. It turned out. And some of them surprise me and they turn out better than I would have anticipated. And I think these probably qualify. Oh, I'm really glad we glazed these. Super duper cute with the glaze on it. Let's let those dry. I'm just rubbing this along the top edge so that's not a bright white along the top edge. All right, let them dry. Ready to see the pots and how they turned out? They're all dry now. This is my favorite, but this is super cute too. I like both of them. Hang on, let's get a better grip on them. This is such a fun project. I, hadn't done these in a couple of years because I'm doing videos for you guys, and it's like, how often can you do the same video over and over and over again? But look how cute they are. Every spring, you should do these. And I know there's a lot of other vintage sellers in there who are like, I do them all the time. I do them all the time. This is why. Look how cute they are. They will sell. And now, I mean, seriously, with the whole temporary tattoo, water slide, decal, kind of, we've got a whole new world of things we can do with things like this. And I mean, you can look at, this sounds strange, but we went into a restaurant and they had the temporary tattoos, and I'm like, let me see the designs on them. Because they're a quarter. Like, I got a quarter. They got cute designs. I'm going to pop a quarter in there and see if I can get a cute little temporary tattoo, and maybe we'll find a project for it, because this doesn't require a large decal, you know what I mean? So anyway, that's all of it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Again, it just is a nice way of helping me out. Doesn't cost you any money. Give it a thumbs up, comment. It's always greatly appreciated. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.